Hi guys, thanks for coming back. It's a 4-day weekend, so let's see what I can get done on this. So, I'm going to be going along here, that line, bring it down to here. So I want to get that corner right up into there, bring it down, and then we've just got where our line is there, so mark that, and then we want that to be to there. Look at the ruler, line to line. And that's going to give us our first bit to cut. Right, so put that back up to there. That's our line to there. There we go. And I'll get it right into the crease. Right, so all that up there is good. So we'll just mark it here and here, and then that should just give us enough that we can weld it up onto here. So let's get this back up where we want it, and then we just do that, and that should give us the line that we want. So the next thing I'm going to need to do is this line here. I need to make sure this is correct. So I'm going to pop that back up to my lines. And there we go, we should be about there. Right, so now that's that back bit cut off. Right, it goes down there nicely, up here, all of my lines. Then all I have to do is extend it through to about here, looking up on the inside. So yeah, right. So now if I just put this end bit on, then that will take it the extra that we need. When it goes on, it's going to be going on this way, so this top needs to be folded forwards towards me. So I'm going to use the vise and see if I bend. Doesn't look too bad. That's all cleaned, drilled, and the jacking point put back on. Now just clamp it into place, start welding. The next bit to do will be to get the outer, fit that on. So that's the top of the sill, all plug welded. I'll clean them up, and then I think the next bit I'm going to go for is up here, get this tacked in just so it can't move too much. Yeah, so let's get that bit tacked. I'm going to leave that bit for now. And that, and a couple of other little bits like my my boo-boo, but let's not talk about that. It is all welded in and it's solid. There's a couple of spot welds at the front there. I'll come back and pick them up. we go. It's closed up a little bit, but I can rectify that. It's easy enough. So yes, that is it. Right, so that's the sill, all welded in, all solid. There's still a few welds to clean up, but I've run out of flap discs. A little bit more weld to do, but my torch has run out of battery, so I'm going to call it a day. So that's that all fitted. Hopefully another couple of weeks and I'll be able to get another video out. Not too sure what it's going to be yet, but I'm thinking inner and outer arch and the rear damper mount, get all that repaired. It'll be nice to get the here it is. It'll be nice to get the inner front wing inside all cleaned up, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. It'd be nice to do the floor as well, but if I get an hour or so throughout the week, then I'll jump on them bits. I'm sure there's not really too much you guys want to see of me cleaning up rust. So, see you on the next one.